Trees have been around for over 390 million years, quietly shaping the Earth's ecosystem.
A single tree can absorb approximately 20 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year, making forests vital in fighting climate change.
Trees can communicate and defend themselves through a network known as the Wood Wide Web, facilitated by fungal connections.
The oldest known tree in the world is over 4,800 years old, found in the United States.
Some trees can store more than 190 liters of water in their hollow trunks and branches to survive during droughts. Trees can increase property value by up to 17%, thanks to their aesthetic appeal and their ability to provide shade and cool the environment.
Research has shown that spending time among trees can reduce stress, improve mood, and increase mental focus and productivity.
The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is composed of over 390 billion individual trees.
Trees in urban areas can reduce local temperatures by up to 8 degrees Celsius through shade and evapotranspiration.
Birch trees can increase nutrient availability in the soil, supporting a diverse ecosystem of plants and animals. The bark of many trees contains salicylic acid, the primary ingredient in aspirin, and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries.
A mature oak tree can consume about 150 liters of water per day, which is crucial for its growth and photosynthesis process.
Trees can influence the weather patterns by increasing humidity levels and potentially affecting rainfall through the release of water vapor into the atmosphere.
Some species of trees have developed unique adaptations to survive wildfires, including thick bark to protect their vital cambium layer from heat.
Cherry blossom trees, famous for their vibrant flowers, were originally used in Japan to predict the success of crops and to signify the beginning of the rice planting season. In some tree species, leaves can turn towards the sun to maximize photosynthesis, a movement known as heliotropism.
Trees play a critical role in preventing soil erosion by stabilizing the ground with their root systems.
The process of photosynthesis in trees not only produces oxygen but also contributes to the formation of clouds through the release of water vapor.
Certain trees have the ability to absorb pollutants from the soil, a process known as phytoremediation, which can cleanse contaminated environments.
In urban settings, trees can reduce noise pollution by acting as natural sound barriers.
The ring patterns found in tree trunks can tell a story about the climate conditions and events the tree has experienced over its lifetime.
Ginkgo biloba, one of the oldest tree species still living today, has existed for over 270 million years and is considered a living fossil.
Trees can create microclimates, providing cooler habitats for various plant and animal species beneath their canopies.
The African baobab tree, also known as the tree of life, can store up to 1,200 liters of water in its thick trunk to endure harsh drought conditions.
Willow trees contain a compound that can be used as rooting hormone, making them helpful in plant propagation and healing.
Trees have been proven to improve water quality by filtering and trapping pollutants before they reach water sources.
Pine trees release large amounts of oxygen during the night, unlike most plants which primarily release oxygen during the day.
The act of planting trees, known as afforestation, can reclaim deserts and transform them into viable, green spaces.
Ancient civilizations revered certain tree species for their spiritual and symbolic meanings, integrating them into their cultural and religious practices.
The density of tree canopies can affect the amount of sunlight that penetrates to the forest floor, influencing the types of plants that can grow in forest understories.
Trees not only provide habitat and food for wildlife but also serve as migration landmarks and territory boundaries for certain animal species.
In some cultures, Trees are considered sacred and are often the center of rituals and celebrations.
The fruit of the baobab tree is highly nutritious, rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients, supporting local communities.
Tree leaves can vary greatly in shape, size, and color, with some turning bright red or gold in autumn as a part of their natural life cycle.
Urban trees can help filter and reduce particulate pollution from the air, which is especially beneficial for respiratory health.
Trees have been used in shipbuilding for centuries, with different species selected for specific parts of the ship based on their unique properties.
Research suggests that there are more than 60,000 known tree species in the world, with thousands more yet to be discovered.
The practice of bonsai, the art of growing miniature trees, originated in China over 1,000 years ago before being adopted and refined in Japan.
Trees are capable of producing a wide range of sounds that can be heard with special equipment, including the flow of water and nutrients. The sycamore fig tree is considered one of the oldest plant species cultivated by humans, with evidence dating back over 6,000 years.